Hello children, good morning and welcome to class today. Today in mathematics, our topic is properties of shapes. Properties of shapes, and we're going to be looking at properties of 2D shapes. In our next class, we'll look at properties of 3D shapes. Now, before I proceed, what makes a shape a 2D shape? I told you that flat shapes are 2D shapes. These are shapes that don't have inside and outside. We call them flat shapes in mathematics, and they are the two-dimensional shapes. And now we have 4 examples of two-dimensional shapes on the board. Here we have the circle, the triangle, the square, and the rectangle. Now let's go ahead and look at the properties of these shapes that we have on the board. Now, a circle. A circle is a 2D figure in which the set of all the points in the plane is equidistant from a given point called the center. The distance from the center to the outer line of a circle is called the radius. What do I mean by that? Okay, what do I mean by the word equidistant? Equidistant means occupying a position midway between two ends or sides. Equidistant means occupying a position midway between two ends or sides. And now, what is a radius? A radius is a line segment between any point on the circumference of a circle and its center. I said a radius is a line segment between any point on the circumference of a circle and its center. Good. Now let's take the triangle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon which has 3 edges and 3 vertices. A triangle is a three-sided polygon which has 3 edges and 3 vertices. The sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now the square. A square is a 4-sided polygon. All the sides are equal in length and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Then lastly, the rectangle. A rectangle is a 2D shape which has 4 sides where the opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. A rectangle is a 2D shape which has 4 sides where the opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. These are the opposite sides. You can see that this line here and this line here are equal and they are opposite each other. And same goes for this line here and this one here. I hope it is very clear. Okay, like I told you in our next class, we're going to be looking at the properties of 3D shapes. Don't forget to go to the class dojo for your assignment. Be good children and stay safe. Bye.